Hi guys, one of you guys asked me to do chicken cashew nut in yellow bean sauce. Okay, so this is the yellow bean sauce. It's similar to my kung pao I sell in my takeaway. I use a combination of hoisin and yellow bean sauce, and it's spicy. But the vegetable is a bit different. Okay, but overall it's quite similar. It's what we call jiong bao gai. That's a bean sauce chicken. So I'm just gonna take 2 slices. So say half a chicken breast. Yeah. This is too expensive, you know. Can't make a whole one. Slice it down. I'm not going to add any flavors to it, like salt or MSG, because this yellow bean sauce is quite salty. What I do is just sprinkle a bit of potato starch with water, just to coat it so it goes a bit, you know, nice and silky when it's cooked. Vegetables, cucumber, some garlic, a few spring onion, you know, the white part, top part, cashew nuts by lot, and some dried chili flakes. I've got about half a teaspoon, so it's up to you. If you don't eat spicy food, you can leave that out, right? And of course, doubanjiang. I'm going to put about 1 large tablespoon of doubanjiang in it, okay? Lemon squeeze, and sugar. A bit of oyster sauce and the wine. And lastly, the cashew nuts. Ooh, all done.